Ever tried to fire up your Weber grill only to find some burners just won't light? Here's how I went from struggling to light my grill to having it work like new. No stress, just perfectly cooked BBQ. First, check your gas supply. This is a crucial step before you start grilling. Ensuring you have enough propane can save you from interruptions. If the propane tank feels too light, about 15 pounds or less, it's probably empty. You can easily check this by lifting the tank and feeling its weight. A full tank weighs closer to 35 pounds. Compare it with a full tank if you have one nearby to get a better idea. Once you've confirmed the tank is empty, swap it out with a full one. Reconnect it securely to the grill, ensuring all connections are tight. Test the burners to make sure everything is working properly. A simple fix, but it's often the culprit. Now, you're ready to enjoy a seamless grilling experience. Still no luck? It can be really frustrating when your grill just won't light up, especially when you're all set for a barbecue. But don't worry, there's a way to troubleshoot this issue. First, try lighting each burner manually with a match. This will help you determine if gas is flowing properly to the burners. Carefully hold the match near the burner and see if it ignites. If the burner lights manually but not with the igniter, you're likely dealing with a faulty igniter. This means the gas is flowing but the igniter isn't sparking to light the burner. But if it doesn't light at all, you might have a clog or leak in the gas line. This is a more serious issue that needs to be addressed to ensure your grill operates safely. We'll get to that next. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to fix these common grill problems, ensuring you can get back to grilling in no time. Now let's take a closer look at the igniter. This small but crucial component is what gets your grill started. When you press the button, do you see a spark? This spark is essential for igniting the gas and starting the grill. If you don't see a spark, the first thing to check is the battery. Most Weber grills use AA batteries, so replacing it is a quick and easy fix. If the problem persists even after changing the battery, the next step is to inspect the connections. Look for any loose wires or signs of corrosion that could be disrupting the electrical flow. Finally, make sure the igniter is clean. Dirt and grime can interfere with its function. A clean igniter not only works better but also lasts longer, ensuring your grill is always ready for use. Burner tubes can get clogged with grease or debris over time, stopping gas from flowing evenly. Remove the burners, give them a good scrub with a grill brush and reinstall. It's a bit messy but worth it for that perfect flame. The carryover tube connects the burners, letting the flame spread across them. If it's rusted or damaged, it won't work properly. Replace it. It's a quick job and ensures all burners light seamlessly. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to get your Weber grill working like new. No more uneven cooking or frustrating starts. If you want to learn more about each step, read our blog post in the description. If you liked this tip, hit subscribe for daily BBQ tricks and techniques. Let's fire up that grill and get cooking.